CX leaders, are you still relying on manual surveys and incomplete data to understand your customer experience? Well, if so, it's time to step into the future. With MiaRec's voice of the customer technology, you can now automatically calculate CSAT scores across every single call, no surveys needed. Instantly see how your customers feel across the board with detailed breakdowns by satisfaction level. See a clear breakdown of which of your agents provide great customer satisfaction and see which agents need some work. Use AI-powered NPS scoring to easily locate detractors who might speak negatively about your brand and root cause analysis to determine what's leading to their unhappiness so you can take swift, targeted action to turn them into promoters. Leverage AI customer effort scoring to understand how easy or difficult it is for customers to resolve their issues, and combine that with topic analysis to pinpoint exactly where friction occurs in the customer journey, whether it's an order status inquiry, technical support issues, or any relevant call reason, so you can streamline those experiences and improve CX. Want to know which customers are going to churn before they actually do? No problem. Use MiaRec's auto churn risk detection to automatically flag at-risk customers based on language patterns and behavioral signals, and pair that with churn risk dashboards to visualize trends, prioritize follow-ups, and take action before it's too late. And for all you sales leaders out there, you can even use the AI to identify and quantify missed revenue opportunities so that no more revenue slips through the cracks, and use the dashboard view to see an aggregate view of how much revenue has been missed, and even see breakdowns of missed revenue by agent so you can see exactly where coaching is needed most. With MiaRec voice of the customer technology, every insight you need from satisfaction to churn to revenue is just a click away. No more guesswork, just clear, actionable intelligence to elevate your CX strategy and drive results. Are you ready to step into the future? Visit www.miarec.com to learn more and schedule your demo today.